हेलो, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दौसा। माय नेम मिस्टर हरदेश कुमार from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about the current and current density. Subject electromagnetic field, lecture number 8. Current, electric current. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electrical charge through any cross section area of the conductor. Current equal to charge upon time. Current is denoted by capital I equal to dq upon dt. So this is the current flow of electrical charges. This is positive and this is the negative portions. So this current, this is the switch. Switch is short, is the off state. Switch is on, current flow. This is the on state. Two state, off stage and on stage depend of switch. Switch is closed, switch and on. On and off key. This is the flow of electrical charge of the conductor. Current charge upon time. Charge is with respect to of time. Electrical current unit. The SI and base unit of electrical current is ampere. Ampere is equal to coulomb per second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. A equal to CS inverse. Ampere, when 1 coulomb current flow through any cross sectional area in 1 second, then electrical will be an 1 ampere. Electrical current unit ampere. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per second. एम्पियर इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा CS माइनस 1, राइट. करंट डेंसिटी डिनोटेड बाई J. इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट डेंसिटी इज इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट पर यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ द कंडक्टर. करंट डेंसिटी करंट अपॉन एरिया. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई J. J equal to I upon A. This is the magnitude. This is the current density. Current density J equal to I upon cross sectional area A. Okay. So electrical current density is a electrical current per unit cross sectional area of the conductor. The current density equal to current upon area. It is represented by J. Unit current density. Unit of electrical current density is ampere per meter square. J equal to ampere upon meter square. Electric current density is a vector quantity. Its direction is same as electrical current. In vector form, I equal to JA. I equal to JA angle of cos phi. This is the figure J and I. Angle of phi. This is the vector quantities. Practically, current density is a vector quantity. Continuous. Current density J, current in ampere when it is integrated over a cross sectional area. Stop. The assumption is that the direction of J is normal to the surface, and so we would write A del I equal to J and del S. So current density, this is the surface area, del S. Current in ampere in cross section area, this is the cross section area. This area direction is J to the normal surface. So del I equal to J and del S, right? Del S is the surface area, cross sectional surface area. Current density as a vector field. In reality, the direction of current flow may not be normal to the surface in question. So we treat current density as a vector and write incremental surface through the small surface in the usual way. Del I equal to J dot del S, where del S equal to NdA. Then the current through a large surface is found through the integral. I equal to integral of S J vector dot ds. I current with respect to current density J, ds is a small surface area, integral of surface area. So the continuity equation of the current is based on the principle of conservation of charges. Instead, the electrical charge may not be created by destroy. Consider any arbitrary volume V bounded by the surface S. Now the outward current from this closed surface is obtained by taking the closed surface integration of current density J. I equal to closed surface integral S J vector dot ds. Here I equal to closed surface integral J vector dot ds. Here I outward current, I is the outward current, J current density vector, it is the vector having direction of current flow, ds small differential surface and closed surface integration. Mathematically, the current coming out from the volume V is represented as the rate of degrees of current in that volume. Thus, current I equal to minus K dqi upon dt. Here qi charge inside the closed surface. Minus sign indicate that the current is outgoing current, right? So this equation put I equal to closed surface integral as j vector dot ds equal to minus के dqi over dt, इक्वेशन 1. ठीक है. दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्जेस एंड करंट डेंसिटी. नाउ different charge current density, calculate point form or differential form of continuity equation. The point form of continuity equation is obtained by using the divergence theorem, right? Divergence theorem, del dot d. Recall the divergence theorem. Closed surface integral S d vector dot ds equal to integration of volume del dot d vector dot dv, integral of volume and integral of surface, right? Using this closed surface integration, divergence theorem, to closed surface as j vector dot ds equal to integration of volume del dot j dot ds, del dot j dv, तो इंटीग्रेशन वॉल्यूम डेल डॉट जे dv इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा, माइनस के dqi अपॉन dt, राइट? dqi ओवर माइनस के dqi ओवर dt. Okay, but the charge qi is nothing but the volume integral of rho v. So qi, this qi equal to integration volume and rho v and dv. This is the volume charge density. Rho v is the volume charge density. Put the value of qi, d over dt, qi की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी, इंटीग्रल ऑफ वॉल्यूम रो वी और डी. ओके, तो दिस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वॉल्यूम एंड दिस इंटीग्रेशन वॉल्यूम विल कैंसिल. हियर द सरफेस एरिया इज कांस्टेंट, सो द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, पार्टली डेरिवेटिव दिस dv dv, तो डेल डॉट जे वेक्टर इक्वल टू माइनस के डेल ओवर डेल टी रो बी. दिस इक्वेशन इज द पॉइंट फ्रॉम डिफरेंशियल फ्रॉम द कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन with respect to volume and current density J vector. J is the current density and rho v is the volume charge density. Okay, but this equation calculate what point form, point, this is the point form del dot J. Okay, this is the calculate of point form of current charge density. Relation of current to charge velocity. Consider charge del Q, occupied volume del V, moving in the positive x direction at velocity. In terms of the volume charge density, we may write del Q equal to rho V del V and rho V del S del L. Rho V del S or del L. Okay. Suppose that in time del T the charge moves through a distance del X. Del X equal to del L equal to Vx. Okay. तो del T, तो del Q equal to rho V del S or del X. Del Q equal to rho V del S or del X. The motion of the charge represent a current given by del I equal to del Q upon del T equal to rho V del S del X over del T. तो del I equal to rho V del S Vx. Del I equal to rho V del S Vx. This figure, this is the del Q equal to rho V del V, and this surface area del S, and this differential line del L, and X and Y and Z. So total differential length in respect of this del L, this is del L, figure B, and this figure A. Okay, so calculate charge and charge velocity, current I and charge velocity rho V and del V with charge velocity del Q. तो वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी del Q equal to rho V del V, तो del V equal to del S del L, differential surface and differential line. Suppose that in time del T the charge moves through a distance with respect to of x del X. तो rho V del S again value, तो rho V del S and del L इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा del X, तो del X हो जाएगा. तो मोशन ऑफ द चार्ज represent a current given by, तो del I इक्वल टू del Q upon del T इक्वल टू rho V del S del X upon del T. तो del I इक्वल टू rho V del S Vx. This is the differential charge current. So this is the relation. This is the relation del I equal to rho V del S or Vx. This is the current to charge density. Okay. Relation of current density to charge velocity. So del I equal to rho V del S Vx. The current density is then Jx. Jx equal to कितना हो जाएगा del Q upon del X equal to rho V and Vx. So in general form J equal to rho V and V. Thank you watching this.